Ooh. See that? I'm going to tell it, unlock now. I'm just kidding. There's a fingerprint on the back of that. Nobody's going to know about that fingerprint if it's up against the lock, just like that. This is the coolest thing. You can have a fingerprint lock. This is my first fingerprint padlock that I've ever owned. So it's super awesome, super cool. So why would you do this? This is not going to be heavy duty. You're not going to put this on a storage unit. You're not going to slap this on a tool chest or something that's valuable. But where this lives, honestly, is like a gym locker, padlock, a cabinet lock. For me, it's going to be on the back of my tool chest that I have on the inside so that my kids can't take the tools out or whatever on the inside of my truck, just as a deterrent, right? I just thought that this could be cool right there and really super easy. So you can also use this as a combination lock too as well, where you can plug your own combination. It can take up to 20 different combinations. 20? Why the heck would you need 20? If you wanted to give this code to somebody else or a couple other people, you can give up to 20 different. So if you have a shared storage shed or something like that, a cabinet, like a janitorial cabinet or something like that, you can have each person have their own code so you know who's getting into the cabinet, who's stilling the toilet paper, all that kind of stuff. You can know because you can give them their own code, and you can manage all your codes, your fingerprints. You can give up to fingerprints or a combination of locks and or fingerprints. You can store those in all with the app on the phone. So the app right here is just called eSmart Lock. And like I said, you can program it, Bluetooth it right here. And the other thing that's cool is it is a USB-C. So if you do happen to lock it and leave it and it dies on you, you can just come and put and charge it up just a little bit of juice, and you can unlock it through your app. So you're going to bind it to your app, and so that's cool. So what I mean by that is that nobody else can Bluetooth it. Once you have it Bluetooth, it's yours, it's binded to that account. You can unbind it, but nobody else could just say, hey, I want to Bluetooth to this, and unlock it through the phone. So you manage it all through here. You got your fingerprints, you got your unlock, you have your authorization management to know who was getting into it at a certain time. Right here you have account management. That's if you're going to have different users for the lock, you can have that. And then right here you can have the fingerprints, or then you can look at your history record. You can pull a history record right here, and you can see, okay, who got into it using the fingerprint. It looked like that was me a couple times, and then fingerprint. You can get new records right there. You can go into a Oracle record right there and to figure out who was using your lock, whether it was you, your spouse, your kids, whoever it was. You can see who the last person was that took the toilet paper out of the supply closet. Who did it? I know it was my son. And that's going to tell me right there. So if you're looking for a padlock, why not get a smart lock that you can have all of those features? If you're looking for just a small padlock, again, I'm not going to use it for theft deterrent. I'm going to use it for inventory control management. Gym locker, super easy, where you can just use your thumb, anything like that. How cool are we now where we have to actually plug our locks in? This is awesome. Don't worry about losing your keys. Now you only have to worry about if it loses its power.